Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all. Are you listening? Yes. So we have to discuss about outpatient care plan of Star Health Insurance, newly launched before 4 to 5 months, having a specific expenditure borne by our valued customers, and now the company is interested to cover all the OPD benefits, outpatient benefits in this plan. So actually, in the general plan like Family Health Optima, Comprehensive, Senior Citizen, only indoor facilities are available. Also, some daycare facilities also is available in this plan. All the daycares in Family Health Optima, in Comprehensive, all the daycares, and in Senior Citizen, there are some daycare is available and some daycare is not available. Except the indoor facility and daycare facility, except the indoor coverage and daycare coverage, except the indoor expenses and daycare expenses. There is a third expenses like outpatient expenses. Nowadays, maximum people are under hypertension or diabetic related diseases, and the regular expenditure is minimum 4 to 5,000 per month. Minimum 4 to 5,000 per month, and per year it will be near about more than 50,000, including the medicines and also the health checkups and pathology testing bills. Minimum per person, it will be near about or more than 50,000. So taking it to the consideration, now the company wants to give the all expenses borne by the specific disease on OPD care basis. On OPD care basis. Sometimes you see, we will pay the indoor bills, we will pay the daycare bills, and we will not reimbursement all the OPD facilities. And as per the client's query, as per the client's demand, now the company develop a new plan called outpatient OPD coverage plan, outpatient coverage plan of Star Health Insurance. So there is nearly 3 types of plans we have in outpatient plan. One is silver, then gold, and then platinum. One is silver, then gold, and platinum. Age at entry is 18 years, and maximum age at entry is 50 years. Maximum age at entry is 50 years. Minimum age at entry is 18 years, and maximum age at entry is 50 years. In silver, pre-existing diseases are covered after 4th year. In gold, it will cover after 2nd year, and in platinum, pre-existing disease is covered after 1 year. As per my recommendation, I will recommend it to the platinum plan. Actually, when we go through the plan, we will see that it is not a plan of indemnity, it is not a plan of health insurance. It is a plan of, actually it is a plan of profit. It will give you maximum profit in your lifetime. As per the calculation, your 10 years premium, paying total premium of 10 years. Suppose somebody is paying a premium of 10,000 per year, and in 10 years, it will be near about 1 lakh rupees. And you will get a benefits is more than 3 lakhs of rupees. If you actually see the plan, the inside and outside of the plan. Suppose monthly expenditure is 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees, however it may be. But yearly total expenditure is 40 to 50,000 rupees, including the pathology test. So in 10 years, the total expenditure is near about 5 lakhs of rupees. And we have you will get more than 80% of your bill amount on the reimbursement. So it is a beautiful plan. Any question, any query, any internal benefits of this plan, you may ask. Let us have a interaction about this plan. Thank you all. Thank you.